We draw and cut the pattern with scissors, and I drew them with Sharpie, and it turns out something's quite wrong, but it's good.
This is the nose. This is for the eyes right here. Like that. And the mouth. You drew the mouth. Are we ready to carve?
Yeah! This is our carver knife to carve our pumpkin easily, quickly, and safety.
Oh, we forgot to open this here.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Okay, can you draw a circle here, please? Like here, like that.
Okay.
Make it bigger a little bit. Good job, go Chloe. Good job, go Chloe. Almost done, come on. Okay, dah. Almost done, it's done? Take it out now. Oh, wow. Good job. The seeds now.
We're gonna take out the seeds now. But first,
Go get some spoon, please, inside. There you go. Good job. Woohoo, Bessie. Wow. Bessie. Oh, cute. Pumpkin. Oh, cute, Bessie.
this in the front.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Here you go. And then we cover. And then here you go.
Thanks, Mom!
Look, come here. You're welcome. Come here, look. You wanna pick it up and put it in the table? Pick it up. Slowly, okay, there's a candle over there. Pick it up. Don't drop it. There. Yoo-hoo!
Woo!
Look, come in. See? Come on over here. Look at this. Yoo-hoo!